Hello, how are you? My name is Candy, and I'm going to be your trainer as you go through Women in Digital Business Foundations program. So, in this program, we're going to be having 5 topics that will help you understand how to digitalize your business, how to have an online presence, how to create a website, how to just have your business easily accessible through the net, through social media and such like platforms. So welcome and feel comfortable to reach out in case you have any question, in case anything is not clear, kindly reach out and I will be glad to assist you. So at this point I've already introduced you to the portal, which is the Women in Digital Business portal. And there, when you go to the foundations program, you will see the notes that the WIDB has already provided you with. So these videos are just to make it easier for you to have an understanding of what the notes are telling you or what you're reading from the notes. So let's briefly have our introduction. So welcome to Women in Digital Business Foundations program. This particular topic will enlighten you on how to digitalize your business and get the maximum benefits from that. You don't want to just digitalize your business, you want to make it make sense. You want to make the most out of what you're doing. So if you're putting your business on social media, you want to get the best and most results from having it as a business that is on a social media platform. Whether you decide to have it on the Facebook marketplace, on Instagram, on TikTok, on LinkedIn, whatever platform you decide to, we want to make sure that you're getting the most out of whatever you choose. So let me quickly take you through WIDB. This is an organization that empowers you on digital literacy. Here, you get to learn how to use social media platforms for the benefit of your business, how to use websites, AI trainings, among others. For now, we will be focusing on making your business social media friendly and having an online presence and getting the most value out of it. We will subdivide the whole topic into 5 subtopics, and I will take you through them. Due to difference in learning speed and understanding, I have made 5 videos on each topic that will make it easier for you to understand as you go through the notes and will also help you in answering the tasks. So at the end of every note section, like at the end of every subtopic, be it subtopic 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, there are some questions that have been asked to see if you have understood what you have learned, and those are what we call the tasks. So here are some things to note as you go through the subtopics. First of all, watch the videos and read the notes for better understanding. The notes are provided to you in your WIDB learning portal, which all of you so far are familiar with, as we have already gone through that individually. When you need clarification on any subtopic, reach out to me and I will be glad to give you the clarity that you need. When answering the questions, answer the questions to what best fits your business. Keeping in mind, different business structures will take different online presence approaches. Let's say if your business is a butchery, you will not have the same you'll not have the same social media or website or like digitalization options or suitability as a person who is maybe doing kahaya. Both of you will take different approaches when it comes to that. That's what I'm trying to mean. Lastly, avoid leaving blank spaces while taking the tasks. So when you're doing the tasks, please make sure you answer as many questions as you can. Don't leave out a blank space. If you feel like the question that has been asked or whatever is being asked there is not relevant to your business, you could write not relevant to my business, not applicable, but just don't leave it blank, okay? So the subtopics that you'll be going through are: number 1, why digitalize? In the first place, why do you need to have an online presence for your business? So here you get a few key concepts around a digital business. You define what one is and why entrepreneurs should digitalize their business. After that, we get to building an online presence. Now that you already know why you should digitalize, how are you going to build an online presence? So here you will learn the main ways of establishing a digital presence for your business, such as through social media networks, websites, digital marketing, and online branding. And then from that, we will go into the third subtopic, which is selling online. Now that you've already known how to build an online presence, how are you going to start selling online and start maximizing on being on that digital platform? So here you will have guidelines to understand when and how to sell goods and services online, and describe the main ways for a business to establish an e-commerce. And after that, we are going to have adapting the other business processes. In this subtopic, you're going to see how to manage post-sale activities, from collecting payments to delivering goods, and discuss the importance of building trust online. So you're going to figure out how you want your payment to be done to you. Mostly we're going to encourage you, because you are putting your business on a digital platform, we are going to encourage you to have an online way of payment, like not cash. So maybe bank transfer, M-Pesa, PayPal, Gray, your Safe, so many other options that you have, just to avoid having the cash on cash transaction. Because now when you go digital, we are assuming that you're covering a wider base, so cash on cash might be hard to handle at times. Yeah. And then finally, we're going to have the what next. Now that you've done all this and you know how to handle all this, what is next? This is the last subtopic, and it will sum up the course's contents, and it brings together everything that you have learned from topic 1 to topic 4, and prepares you for the next step, which is implementation of what you have learned into your business, more like turning the theory into a practical idea. So I hope up to there we are okay so far. You have understood what you are going to be learning in the next few topics to come, and you are well equipped to start. Okay, so thank you for watching this video to the end, and see you in the next video, which is going to be why digitalize.